I'm giving you guys another update. This one is crazy. So, as y'all know, I'm gone. I'm not home. So there's that. Now, this is gonna be a really short video because this is gonna be a montage of like a bunch of different videos together. I don't remember how this goes. But it's fine. We'll figure it out. So feel free, guys. You know, ask questions. If you guys have questions. Ask questions if you guys have questions. Alright, that thing's getting annoying. Ask questions if you guys have questions, you know. So don't be afraid to. If you guys have any questions about, you know, military service, or if you guys just have questions on what different types of MOSs there are, what you guys can do, what the process is, I'll be happy to answer those kinds of questions for you guys. Other than that, everything else is going good at home. But there's a surprise. So we are currently in the works of trying to find a new home. And if we find the house that we want, there's gonna be a whole new video of that. The whole process of us moving in, getting used to the new home. You know, it's close to where I work, so that's a plus. If we go with the house I think we're gonna go with, but that's in my wife's hands, so I trust her. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys in the next clip that I do. So, yeah, that'll be fun. Be in the next clip, like I said, it's gonna be a montage of a bunch of different small videos, all kind of compact together into one big video. So it'll be like, I know today is November 3rd. So, previous video, I'm back for more, just dropped today. You guys see this video is probably gonna be in December. Either the end of this, it would be either at the end of this month or be in the beginning of, or to mid of December. So you guys will get to experience Christmas with us. Hopefully. That's if my new camera comes in. Because I don't want to do it off my phone all the time. So, it's weird. I'm used to seeing something up over here in this area, but yet you guys are right here. So, there's that. So, sorry if my eyes are like darting in two different places. Other than that, hope you guys are doing well, like I said. Again, go to shopdevonic.com. Link will be down in the description below. Everything you guys buy there goes to helping us here and what we do on this channel, and overall helps us out. What I kind of forgot to mention in the last video though is we donate 10% of profit, like our annual profit. We'll donate 10% to primarily the Wounded Warrior Project. However, every year I will do Christmas or June. So either June or December, I will do another 10% of our earnings from the previous year, and then those will go to the lucky winner of whatever we decide to do. The lucky winner will get to pick the charity that they want us to donate to next. So be on the look for that. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram. Still in the works of getting TikTok up. I have it up. I just gotta figure it out. I'm not tech savvy right now. Been in the military for almost a decade, so that's fun. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.